up, guys? So I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on my passion twist because I really love the twist. My twist was twisting, so I'm finna give you guys a tutorial. So the hair is going to be Freetress Water Wave, and I'm going to put everything in the description box so you guys don't have to do too much, okay? So basically what I do is I take 4 pieces all together. I take 2, and then I I don't know what's the name for it, but you're going to see me do it. Okay, so it's like 2 pieces on each side. It's evened out, basically. So I hook it on my hair, and I start braiding. You want to braid real tight, especially if you have hair like me, because it's necessary. But all you do is braid it for about 4 or 5 times, and then once you get to that last braid, you want to take the piece where your hair is at, and then take the other piece, and you want to twist it. Not both. You're going to see what I'm talking about. Okay, and so you just twist those 2 pieces together, and normally I would use jam, but since I'm finna actually take this hairstyle out, it just didn't make any sense to. Okay, and so all you do is twist that shit together. Make sure you hold it so that twist don't come loose, but twist that shit together, okay? Twist it. Twist it. Okay, twist till you can't twist no more, but don't pull your hair out. Twist till you can't twist no more. And you're going to get the perfect twist, y'all. This, like I said, though, I'm finna get ready to take it out, so it's going to kind of look crazy, but I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, okay? So yes, it's that simple to do, and y'all should pretty much have it from here. So I'm gonna just do it one more time for you guys, just so y'all can see how I'm doing it if you didn't catch it the first time. And then that's pretty much it, you guys. Don't overthink it. You can do it. If I can do it, you most definitely can do it, okay? And let me know in the comments if you guys achieved the hairstyle or not. And don't be in the comments about my edges, because I already know. I know. Don't do too much. Yeah, guys, it's like literally that simple to do them. Yeah, I hope this tutorial helped someone. If you did like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm always taking suggestions, recommendations, and yeah, that's